January 31st, 2024. We're gonna test the machine using quarters. This is what cans dispense out of this Coca-Cola machine. I'm very curious to see if Mountain Dew comes out this last one. Okay, so $1. Coca-Cola, let's see. Okay, we're good on that. Yeah, we're good on Coca-Cola. All right, we got 2 more buttons to test. The Dr. Pepper, I believe Diet Dr. Pepper, and Mountain Dew button. So we have 3 more. Okay, yep, 3 more. All right, the last one should be Mountain Dew. Take this off because I don't know who put that there, but this is Mountain Dew. All right, I'm gonna put all these cans back in the machine and we're gonna get going. About to stock the machine. Oh yeah. Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm blessed. I'm about to check the coin collector. Ooh, there we go. Coin collector and the bill collector. 4105 in the coins. I am gonna take this out. So in the machine we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21 in bills, 41 in the coin collector.
Right now I got Modelo Corona.
Yeah. Have you ever tried Guinness?
Yeah, I'm not real crazy about that.
I was about to say, it's so dark and it's my dad loves it. Oh, that's
I know how many.
2,